Dreaming of a European adventure but not sure where to start? Imagine strolling through charming cobblestone streets, tasting world-class cuisine, and exploring centuries of history, all in one trip. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know to plan your first European getaway. Let's make your dream trip a reality. Before we dive into logistics, take a moment to ask yourself, what do you want out of this journey? Are you chasing adventure in the Alps, soaking up the sun on the Amalfi Coast, or diving into the art and history of Europe's legendary cities? Defining your travel style will shape your entire experience. Timing is key. Spring and fall offer mild weather and fewer crowds, while summer is ideal for festivals and lively streets. Prefer a cozy winter escape? Europe's Christmas markets and snowy landscapes are magical. Just be prepared for shorter days. Europe is vast, but smart planning can make it manageable. Focus on regions that connect easily, like Paris, Brussels, and Amsterdam, or Florence, Venice, and Rome. Proximity matters, and clustering cities saves you travel time and money. Less is more when it comes to planning your stops. Aim to spend at least 2 to 3 days in each city to really soak it all in. Consider mixing iconic cities with smaller towns. Places like Hallstatt in Austria or Bruges in Belgium add a magical touch. Budgeting doesn't mean sacrificing experiences. Book flights early, use rail passes, and look for accommodations outside major tourist zones. Dining where locals eat and exploring free attractions can stretch your funds further than you'd expect. Start with flight search tools like Skyscanner to find deals, but don't stop there. Europe's train network is efficient and scenic, making it a perfect way to travel between cities. For more flexibility, consider renting a car in rural areas. Accommodation options range from luxury hotels to cozy vacation rentals. Hostels are fantastic for meeting fellow travelers, while Airbnbs can give you a home-away-from-home experience. Choose a location close to attractions or public transit for convenience. Pack light and smart. Stick to versatile clothing and comfortable shoes. Europe's cobblestone streets are charming, but not kind to overpackers. Remember essentials like a universal adapter and a portable charger. A little cultural knowledge goes a long way. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language. It's always appreciated. And don't forget to research customs like tipping practices so you can blend in seamlessly. Carry a mix of cash and cards. Credit cards with no foreign transaction fees are a lifesaver, and ATMs often offer better exchange rates than currency exchanges. Just be aware of any withdrawal fees. Stay online with a local SIM card or an eSIM. Many cities also have widespread Wi-Fi, but having mobile data for maps and translations is a game changer. To avoid long lines at famous attractions, book tickets in advance or visit during off-peak hours. Early mornings or late afternoons are perfect for snapping crowd-free photos. Europe's culinary diversity is unparalleled. Skip the tourist traps and try street markets, local bakeries, and family-owned restaurants. Whether it's tapas in Spain or gelato in Italy, every region offers its own delicious specialties. Leave room in your schedule for unplanned adventures. Some of the best travel moments come from wandering aimlessly, stumbling upon hidden cafes, or chatting with locals who share their favorite spots. Keep your belongings secure, especially in busy areas. Use a crossbody bag with zippers and always stay aware of your surroundings. Most importantly, trust your instincts. Travel responsibly by using trains instead of planes, reducing single-use plastics, and supporting local businesses. Small actions can make a big impact. Capture your memories with photos and journals. Don't just snap pictures of landmarks. Document the small moments too. Share your experiences with friends and family to keep the adventure alive even after you return. When the trip ends, reflect on the journey. What inspired you? What would you do differently next time? Let these experiences guide your future adventures. Europe is calling, and now you're ready to answer. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other travel guides and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels!